Remover grip and abutment remover effectively remove the broken abutment from inside the implant without causing any damage to the implant. Step 1. Attach the abutment remover to the FR driver. Rotate the assembly clockwise by hand or using a torque control device until it securely engages with the fractured abutment. Step 2. Turn the abutment remover grip clockwise by hand until you feel resistance, indicating that the abutment remover is securely fixed. Step 3. If it has not been removed in the previous step, use the torque control device to rotate clockwise and remove the abutment.